Hi guys, I'm Alexia
And I'm Cyan.
and we are going to review a
Squirrel!
So let's put him on the table. Okay, so he is very squirmy right now. So
Yes.
his hands have pads.
See, look at them.
They're like pink and they're squishy. It feels
Yeah, they're
good.
really squishy.
And sometimes they're cold.
Mm-hmm.
And then
When he crawls on us.
his fur is like
Stay.
kind of like golden and black mixed together.
Stop biting me.
And he kind of and
And look
he
at
has
those,
a black nose. And look at his teeth.
And look at his teeth, his mouth. Ow!
He did. He has white fur on his stomach and his like legs and like inside there.
And his tail.
Booty. And he has whiskers everywhere.
Yes, and we gave him. Stop it.
Even on
Sorry.
his eyes.
Yeah, and we gave him this little jingle bell collar. Jingle bell, jingle bell.
And we keep him in a cage.
Yeah. Hey, I just want to.
He's squirmy. He's rowdy right now.
And he has squishy ears. They're squishy.
Don't squish him or he's gonna bite you. And he has really long nails so he can climb up trees and stuff.
And scratched me.
Yeah, and like he bites peanuts. The way he bites food is because he has the long nails. Ooh, he makes noises like that. Sometimes he goes like,
Don't worry, guys. I have him.
he's just trying to get away.
And when he does that, it looks like he has no ears. He looks freaky. See, he looks like a chipmunk, guys.
Oh no.
Keep your ears back.
Keep your ears back, see?
See, look at that. Doesn't it look funny?
And when he has his ears back, it's like he's in attack mode. But when he has them up, he's not in attack mode.
And sometimes he plays like
He bites and plays like
and he goes in like circles and then he bites our fingers and stuff.
yeah.
It doesn't hurt.
If you squeeze his feet like phew, he like makes noises and it's weird. See, look at that. Do you see him beating? Apparently not. Oh yes, see?
Oh, he's beating.
Okay, so
Oh, guys.
I think that's it for the review. So like and subscribe and bye.
Bye,
Thanks
guys.
for watching.